Konnichiwa. Watashi no namae wa Ishi desu. In this video, I will be showing you how I make my own version of the Japanese onigiri. Let's start off with the filling, or rather, the salmon. To season it, I'm going to use calamansi, Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. After seasoning it, I'm going to bake the salmon for about 20 to 25 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. While the salmon is in the oven, let's get started on the rice. For the sushi rice, I will be using sesame oil, mirin, and sushi vinegar. Since the salmon is now done cooking, let's start on the filling. For the filling, I will be using some crab sticks, the salmon we cooked earlier, cream cheese, liquid seasoning, hot sauce, and 2 types of mayo. Let's assemble the onigiri. I will be using plastic gloves so that it will stay clean and such. Yeah. First, I will scoop some rice on my hand. Just a bit. And then I will scoop some filling. Just put it in the center like that. And then I will cover it up with some more rice so that the filling will be in the center. I will shape it like this. That. Oh! Ang cute oh! Look at that! It's like a triangle. Ito nagre-record ako. Ang cute. Let's try it! Itadakimasu! Sarap. Oishi desu ne. うん。うん。